gorgeous. So I am getting ready to head out to the Harlem Globetrotters game with my kids. I don't know if it's a game, but I know it's some fun basketball thing. I'm almost ready, so I just wanted to show you all what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this pair of blue jeans. I'm gonna wear this sweater with it. This is a sweater that I got from shein. It's very simple, but I like the color combination. And of course, I already did my makeup. It's pretty nice. I love the way the colors go. The purple, but the deep purple, regular purple, pink, and lavender. It really does look amazing. Let's get ready to go to a Harlem Globetrotters game. So for fragrance of the day, I am wearing my Bodacia Aqua Sapphire, and I layered it with this body mist Sol de Janeiro, the Chorizo 39 limited edition. This one has notes of coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. I am just pairing it because the colors rhyme, not because of anything, but this one is way stronger. This is just for my skin. I already sprayed this on, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one on. We arrived at the Harlem Globetrotters game in Toyota Center. There were a lot of families here and everything just looked so much fun. We did not come early, so we missed about 20 minutes of the game, 15 to 20 minutes of the game, so it had really started. But so far, everything is just fun. My kids were laughing. It was really engaging. It was just fun all around. I also got this lovely soft pretzel. It was so yummy, fresh, warm, buttery, and tasty. I really enjoyed it. I just sat there, took it in while I was laughing. I just enjoyed eating it and watching the game. So far, this is a fun family experience. I would encourage anyone with little kids to do this. Like, not like little kids, but I mean kids that are my kids' age range. This is a fun thing to do, you know, really amazing.
No look bounce pass. It was under the rim. He got it. Off the shot clock. Oh. I like the attempt, but now the Generals take the lead here. They go for it. There you go. Oh! Oh, got him in the air. Oh, like that. Yeah! You ain't gonna get it. High-rise saves it. Get down, Gord. Get down there. Oh, my God. Set for three. You know what? I'll make a deal with you. Okay. I'll only take the shoe back if I can bring the lady out there. Bring her out. I need everybody to see how beautiful she is. Excellent. Okay. Nice. John, nice to meet you, John. You from me? All right. I just got one question, John. Why are you still holding my hand? All right. Now, as you know, this year is the 100-year celebration of the Harlem Globetrotters. And with all celebrations, they gotta be fun. A lot of laughter, a lot of teamwork goes into being here for 100 years. And also, there may be a special gift. But in order for that to happen, I'm gonna need you to put your shoe back on. All right. I know you've seen the movie Cinderella. Whoop, up.
If I should
What is happening? It's hard to follow.
your
What is
There's nothing in here. Hello? Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I'm going to finish. All right. Here we go. Okay, that should do it. Do it? All right. Okay, everybody, I'm going to need your help. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Harlem Globetrotters basketball. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Everybody give them another hand. There you go. Whoa, all over the backboard. Jumping snow.
So now that I'm done with the Harlem Globetrotters game, I went straight to H-E-B to get the balloons that I'm going to have in the room for the Galentine's dinner tonight. So I had them make this bouquet or bunch of Valentine balloons that we'll put in the room just as a way to decorate the room and kind of, give it that feel of what we are celebrating this evening. All right, so right now I'm gonna pack the gift bags for the Galentine's dinner tonight. This is the bag, and like I had shown before, the items that each bag is getting. So I got a little clear bag that I'm gonna put the items in, and then I bought some tissue that I'm going to put inside just to make the bag cute. Alright, so I am ready to head out to Galentine's, and this is what I'm wearing. Of course, the red dress that I showed you, and then I'm gonna pair it with my MFK Feminine Plural perfume and the La Rose hair mist. I always like to put hair mist in my hair whenever I'm going out at night. It just gives it, gives me extra fragrance to smell awesome. And I didn't put much jewelry, with this outfit. I'm just wearing my usual ring and my LV necklace, just keeping it simple because I think the outfit is so rich. I don't want to be like overdressed. Well, who cares if I'm overdressed? Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, this is my hair. For shoes, I'm going with these slingbacks, which are very comfortable. My purse, this is what I'm going with. All right, let's go to Galentine's. All right, so I'm here and I've already set up the table. I put all the gifts that I got for the ladies on the table, but no one is here yet. I think they'll be here in this is 7:38. We're supposed to start at 7:30, so maybe in the next 10 minutes the first set of people should start arriving. But I love the room. Of course, this is Annie's. The room is perfect. Everything just looks amazing. Oh, look at me in that mirror. This is the head waiter. He's just telling us all the options that we have for dinner tonight. For me, of course, I had the seafood, this shrimp salad, which was really awesome. And then I got the red snapper fish, which tasted amazing. We also played some games, some ladies' night games that we usually play anytime we go to ladies' night. And then, of course, all the other ladies gave us their gifts. These are all the gifts that I got. I mean, there's a whole lot more, but these are the ones that I took pictures of that I'm showing you all. Everything was amazing. The night turned out very, very beautiful. I really enjoyed it. Food tasted so good. We all just enjoyed each other's company and just bonded and just had an all-around good time, just the way Galentines should actually be. So, of course, to end the night, I did take some lovely pictures in this my cute red dress. This dress was so comfortable. I just kept taking pictures in different poses, which really turned out amazing. I got a lot of compliments on this dress. I walked around, I twirled. I really enjoyed wearing this dress. I wish I have this dress in other colors. I would constantly rock it. But all in all, I love the feel of this dress and the look that it gave me. It was just perfect for Galentines. All right, so I had an awesome Galentine's dinner with the ladies. We were having so much fun that I didn't even get to record a lot of things that we did, but the dinner was tasty. The games that we played was so much fun. And then the gifts, I need to show you all my gifts. So this bag, of course, is full of all the gifts because, like I said, 15 people bringing gifts for everyone. Yeah, it was a lot. So I came back with all of these gifts. This is one of them. This is another one. And this one too. So yeah, it was an awesome Galentine's dinner. Oh, this coffee stirrer. It is so cute. Like, this is so amazing. Beautiful, cute. So today has been a lot. From the Harlem Globetrotters game to Galentine's dinner, I had a blast today. So it's time to call it a night. It's time to take off this face and it's time to end this vlog. As usual, I am on TikTok, Facebook. On TikTok, I am Happy Gorgeous Life. On Facebook, Happy Gorgeous Lifestyle. And on Instagram, I am Happy Gorgeous Ada. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this vlog, and if you like to see more content like this, where I go out with the ladies or I have a full day of doing so much stuff, let me know. Except for the mom life thing, if you want to see more fun days like this, let me know. All right, remember, stay happy, stay gorgeous. Bye.